Good morning, Team Fullers. Welcome to the kitchen. So, this is where I stopped last night. I didn't went to bed till 2 o'clock in the morning. And this is the kid, the dishwasher is this children of mine. So this is the mess. Excuse everything. So today I'm going to make lafidi. It's a Sierra Leonean local food. Most people say, oh, it's for poor people, but I really love eating it and my children love it. So I leave some of this stuff to make lafidi. So excuse the mess of the kitchen right now. This is the only thing remaining for me to do. These leaves, wash everything, pick them, cut them. And yesterday I did all the okra, the 2 boxes of okra. I did everything. So this is everything. I have to bring it in the store. And yeah, this is everything. This is how everything is looking. Like, I finished the okra. I pack the rest of the food in the store, in the freezer in the store. And now I have to come and sit down and do this. I didn't wake up. I'm just actually I've been up since 10 o'clock in the morning, but I was really tired because I went to bed so late. So I was just lying down in bed. So now what I'm about to do, I'm going to clean here quickly, going to put everything in the dishwasher. The empty boxes there, I'm going to remove it, take it outside. Yeah, just kind of clean up, just do like a cleaning up quickly, and then I'll come and sit down and do this leaf. I have to empty this washer. It's finished. I wash towel. The clothes are dry, so I'm going to take this off. Let's just do some cleaning. First, I'm going to put movie for the children, so at least they can just leave me alone while I'm working. It's a bit messy here in the store right now. I removed this door inside my room. There's this closet and I removed the door, so I have to organize this place back, but that will be in the summer. I will have to remove this thing back and then put the door behind there, but that will be in the summer. So yeah, so everything is I packed through the summer, and then throughout the year I just end up packing mess on top of each other. So yeah, so this is what the freezer is looking like right now. It's so full. This is meat that I was cooking. I wanted to cook a dish, but then I was super tired. If you guys can see, I don't have any sauce anymore. Normally I put sauce. My sauce are here. They're full all the way to this top. I have bowls of different sauce, but now I don't have anything. So this is the dry fish that I normally make, and this is the ones I bought. This is all the dry fish that I bought to cook, and this 2 extra is here, and these are all the fish. No, this one I already have this 2, and the remaining ones I bought yesterday. So this is how the fridge is looking like right now. So now I'm just gonna add things on top of each other. Okay, the okra, I have 2 boxes of okra. As you guys can see, this is a whole lot. So I have like, I think 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 bags, and this is crab. This is fresh crab I got from the market, but I haven't got the time to cook it yet, even though I have already 1 box there, but that one is a fresh one from the market. So now I'm going to start cutting the greens, and I will add it on top. Yeah, let's go to business. Let's go back and start doing. It's a whole lot of mess. The kids, they draw on top of the fridge, so it's a messy place.